Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to go over skill 1-6, talk about the introduction and setup. So today I'll be demonstrating administrating of the evaluation instrument for our get to know smoke alarm lesson, following by scoring procedures and reporting protocols according to the authorities having jurisdiction policies. So here it is, got all this. Evaluation instrument was specifically designed to measure the learning outcome for our smoke alarm safety lesson. It consists of 17 questions covering all critical safety points using multiple assessments methods to accommodate different testing performances. Be administrating the evaluation. Hello, Mr. Cinco. How are you today?
Oh, later. By the time I'm in.
I'm glad you made it here safe. So welcome back. I hope you found our smoke alarm safety session valuable.
Hey, thanks for coming over and installing that. It meant a lot.
You're welcome. I appreciate it, and I'm glad we're here to help you. Before you leave today, we have a brief evaluation to ensure you're captured the key safety components. It isn't about grades. It's about making sure that you have the knowledge to keep our family and your community safe whenever you help your neighbors out.
It's not about grades. About this.
Well, we're about to find out. So I have your test here
Sweet.
with a pencil or a pen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to talk about it, then we're going to give this little test. So we're doing evaluation procedure according to our department's tests and policies. Everyone should have the evaluation form and a pencil. If you need either, please raise your hand now.
Actually,
There you go. Testing environment. Per our authorities having jurisdiction guidelines, I ensure adequate lighting for participants. You have great lighting here, sir, for you today?
he said, let there be light in the world.
Awesome. We're gonna have to silence all cell phones. I hope you silence your cell phone. Comfortable space between participants. So
They all wake up.
we have enough space. Everybody good?
Good, Leroy?
There you go. So we do have a clock. I will be setting it to 15 minutes. It's up on the wall right there. Accommodations, in accordance with our department's policy, if there's any need, special accommodations, need large print, additional time, or assistance reading questions, please let me know.
Who's ain't Chinese?
All right. We commit to ensuring everyone can demonstrate their knowledge effectively. So here are your testing instructions. You're going to start off by writing your name and today's date on top of your evaluation form. Today's date is 6/5/25. Everybody done? You're going to read each question carefully before answering. The evaluation has 4 sections. You have multiple choice, circle the best answer. You have true and false, fill in the blank, write the correct word or phrase. Short answer, provide brief, specific response. Working independently, this helps us identify the areas where we might need to provide additional resources or clarification. Like I said, once again, time will be 15 minutes to complete the evaluation. I'll give you a 5-minute warning before the time expires. Questions during test. If you have a question about the test instructions, raise your hand quietly and I'll come to you. Per our testing policy, I cannot interrupt or explain question content. All right, I appreciate you. When you're finished, turn your paper face down and remain seated quietly until everyone is done in the room. Are there any questions about the evaluation process before we begin?
Have you ever had some?
We try not to. That's why, before class, I let them know, hey, we have to stay quiet. This is a testing atmosphere, so we want to make sure. Yeah. Yep.
Ready when you.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set that timer.
Sir.
Got 15 minutes. Let's go. We have 5 minutes. One more person. All right, everybody, turn over your paper. Put your pens down. That is complete. Well, thank y'all all for coming out today. Um, I'll get these tests graded, and then I will upload them, and then you will be able to see your scores. Um, is there anything else for me?
So you're a Texas emergency safety and life educator? You've inspired me to they try to.
All right, sir. Well, thank you. Thanks for coming out. And like I said, you have my information, so if you need to contact me for anything, just let me know. If you have anybody that needs help, I'll go ahead and set up an appointment, and we'll get them taken care of.
Anything.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Cinco.
Thank you, Mr. Jason.
Now I'm going to demonstrate our department scoring procedures. According to our AHJ evaluation policy, I must use a standard answer key. My answer key is going to be right here. Apply the appropriate point system. So multiple choice is going to be 5 points each, 25 points total. True or false, 5 points each, 25 points total. Fill in the blank, 5 points each, 25 points total. Short answers, 10 points each, 25 points total. Total possible score is 100. So now I'll go through the test real quick, and I'm going to answer the correct or incorrect using the department standard, marking them correct answers, incorrect, or partial credit. So each individual is totaled and recorded as both raw score and percentage. Identifying knowledge gaps per our procedures. I note any questions missed by 30% or more of participants, including areas needed for reinforcement. The participants score 85 to 100 or 85%, demonstrating good comprehensive of smoke alarm safety principles. Reporting results. Following our AHJ reporting procedures, I now explain how these evaluation results are documented and reported. Immediately reporting requirements, individual performance tracking. Each participant score is recorded in our Department of Fire Education database. Scores are linked to participants' contact information for follow-up if needed. Results are confidential and score per our data protection policy. Program evaluation summary. I complete our department standard post presentation evaluation report, which includes date, time, and location of participation, number of participants, average evaluation score 82%, scoring range 70 to 95%. Questions frequently missed. Question 15, daylight savings time missed by 35% of participants. But hopefully everybody makes 100 today. Our monthly reporting requirements, total number of community members. Sorry about that. That screwed up. Overall program effectiveness percentage, demographic information while maintaining individual privacy, recommendations for program improvement. Follow-up procedures according to the AHJ policies. Participants scoring below 70% receive additional educational materials via mail. Individuals to attend a refresher session. Offer an in-home smoke alarm installation assessment. Participants scoring 70% above will receive certification of completion mailed within 5 business days. Smoke alarm test replacement reminder card. Contact information for future questions. Department leadership receives weekly summary report of all educational program. Monthly trend analysis showing program effectiveness. Quality. Finally, per our department's quality assurance protocols, all evaluations are retained for 3 years. 10% are randomly audited for scoring. Results inform future circumstantial development. Participants' feedback and in-core program improvement. So basically, they will get feedback for their improvement. So our closing statement. This concludes the demonstration of our administrating, scoring, and reporting evaluation results from our smoke alarm safety education program. Through our proper evaluation procedures, we ensure our community members not only receive critical safety information, but retain and can apply to protect their families. I thank you for attending. And to show you our scoring, Mr. Cinco did come out today and he got all of them correct, which he did score 100. Once again, thank you again for allowing me to present to you.